Hello folks, Marcelo Torres with Trade Water with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. I have some good information here for you guys regarding the movement of the Bitcoin, so we might be able to make some money here, all right? But before that, let's just go around the world and see how things are going. But first of all, remembering you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks. Remembering you guys as well that my disclaimers say that this analysis is just an educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory, all right? Starting here, we have this chart from Gold Telegraph, which it says that we should remember this chart for the decade. It's the most important one. As you guys can see here, gold and the world treasury was negotiated since 2013, which is fit here in the graph, in the chart. You can see that it was regularly being negotiated with any big deal. And then we had an issue on the economy on 2016, and then something kind of slightly changed where gold started being the most important one for the negotiation, for the holdings. And after that, it came back to a mix. And after mid 2019, we started seeing that gold increased its hold worldwide. The central bank or Fed has been buying tons and tons of gold all around the world, as well as the American government. And hopefully, we could say the same thing for the the main countries in Europe. So these guys are buying gold because they know that something is going to go terribly wrong on the dollar. Okay, and I'm wondering if we can find out this chart for the Bitcoin as well to see how it is increasing or not compared, I don't know, to gold, to dollar, to treasury, whatever. Okay, if you guys know something, just let me know. Give me let your comments here on this post so I can check it out. All right. Okay, so let's move forward. Here we are with the fear and greed index. It is on the level 39. Yesterday it was 40. Maybe it's due to the fact that the Bitcoin price dropped by the end of the day of yesterday, the end of the day, which it expires on 9 p.m. UTC -3, okay, or 8 p.m. Eastern time. So, based on this movement, let's see how our chart looks now. This is a chart. I'm using the 1 month chart now, okay, instead of doing the 3 months. So we can have a most clear and zoomed view. So as we saw yesterday, we did see the breakout of this downtrend yellow line. So now it is being held by this pink resistance line right here. Okay, so we have our expectation is to see this pink line being broke up in order for prices to move on. So I traced this other purple line right here, which was generated from these guys right here. And this is the next point that we should keep keen eye on. If it is if it break over, then it means that the greed is increasing and we might see prices going up. But that is not my expectation for a while, since today we have the expiration date for the future index worldwide. Let's see how that's going to go on. Right now, in 1 hour and 10 minutes, it's going to end the negotiation. And by the end of the day, it's going to end the exercise of these options. So let's see how it is going to go through. Okay. In the meantime, Bitcoin is trying to move itself, and I have some hints here for you guys. Let's move on. Here we go. Looks like the cryptocurrency market is going red today. If it's like 50-50, we have just small coins moving positive. So I rather think that the market is going red, is going negative for a while, and I have some reasons to believe that because the room that it has to move is a negative room. Let me show you guys what I'm thinking. But before that, here, where the pairs with Tether, stablecoin Tether, we have 66 pairs right now, and over 5%, we have like 10 pairs. But we also have other ones here. So the main ones right now that are making a lot of money, let's see the ones that we know of is Dusk. What else? Troy. What else we have here? Strat, Phantom, Ren, Beam, and that's it. And IOST. Okay, that's what we have for now. But like I said, when Bitcoin is not moving, go on and start trading altcoin. There is the place you're gonna make money while Bitcoin is moving sideways. Okay, just moving forward and reminding you guys that in 7 days from now we have the Bitcoin expiration for this month. So let's keep the keen eye on this date. Okay. Moving forward, okay, now we have the 30-minute chart. And as you guys can see, I was able, as I showed you guys yesterday, I was able to manage here downtrend channel, this purple one here. And I'm using the big arrows and the small ones to figure out possible moves. So I just added this arrow today. It was not close to the other one, but it made a slight drop yesterday. Let me get the pin. So it made a slight drop yesterday, came back and made a huge drop inside the channel. So the hint was given since yesterday, and it came back close to the right side of the big arrow. And there we go. It did bump up today earlier in the morning, which is right here, and now it just bumped up again. I'm guessing that it is awaiting for the future index expiration to happen. It would happen. It would stop negotiating something by 12 p.m. Eastern time or 1 p.m. UTC -3. After that, it might go down. See how the prices are increasing while the volume is not. So keep a keen eye here. We have a lot of indicators saying we're going to go down. But since this is a 30-minute chart, I don't see big deal on this signal because it's going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up. All right. What we have to pay attention here is that we have a channel. We know the range it could run into. So let's try to profit from that. Simple and easy as this. Okay. Keep a keen eye here and try to make money out of this. Moving forward, 1 hour chart. As you guys remember, I did here this. I had this first, this second, and this third vertical rectangle, each one with their own size. So I copied them on this last price move here, and at the end I kept this big one. All right. So this one here is this the same? It's large as this one right here. Okay. So, and being that said, notice that the prices kind of move according to this rectangle. Okay. And it just went down and went way up again. So it, as we saw on the 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, we still have a few hours to go. We're just we have like let me see here, 21. We have 10 hours to go, or almost 9 hours to go. So there's 9 bars to come up, and this bar could show us that it will go down. All right, because it's already touching the top of this blue channel. Okay, so my bet would be seeing this price is going down. So it could just go with a very quick drop and hit here 9200. And if you're positioned here, it might get you there in order to come back and profit from that. We have a spread as a side. Let me take the magnet out. We have the spread as the size of 2.5%, which is like $220. So it's a lot of money to be able, for us to be able to try to profit something from that move. Okay, as you can see now, it is dropping sharp. So let's see if we can profit from that during the day. This is the 1 hour chart. As you can see, all indicators are showing that it is going down. Not total indicators, but most of them are. And who is not saying that that it should go down? It is saying that it might go down. So looks like we have a nice move going on. This is a big hint for today. Hopefully you guys will profit from that. And remember that it was a hint from TradeWiser. Okay, moving forward, here I am. We have the 4 hour chart. It is moving accordingly with the bunch of channels. We have the blue channel going up. It is going nice and neat. We have the purple one going down, which is also nice and neat. It's an intermediate move, and we expect to see it keep on going down. I just want to bring to your attention this thing right here. Check it out. We have this move on the upper half of the purple channel, and after that it goes down on the bottom half of the purple channel, and then it went up again. So my guess is, wouldn't it go down now? It looks it could. So my hint is, keep a keen eye right here, because we might see a huge drop with the stock market that has expiration date for the future index. If that happens, let's make some measurements here. If that happened, and if it goes just down to the small blue channel, it would make like 160 bucks from where it is right now. If it keeps going down and hits the blue channel, it will be 400 bucks, 4.4% going down. And if it keeps going down, at least to make a minimum 5% and 475 bucks of spread. So folks, there's a lot of room to make money today, and hopefully you guys will benefit from that. And remember that this was a hint from TradeWiser. Okay, and but if you guys look the indicator here, it's showing that some are showing that it wants to go down, but other ones are showing that it's time to go up. So be careful on that. Tight stops on your trade, and let's see if we can make money out of this. But if it decides to go up, let's see from where it is right now. It could break out this small channel and go 2.4% higher with a spread of $220. So wherever it moves, you'll make money if you're on the right side. Okay. On the daily chart, it is going down. I removed the line, the uptrend line that we had. It was right here. Let me get the pin. All right. The upper trend line was right here someplace. I just removed it. Actually, it was more like this. It broke the channel. So I just removed it to have things nice and clean for our analysis. And if it goes down from where it is to hit this, the upper trend line of the bottom, it's like a 500 bucks, 5% drop. So, and it looks like it's going on that direction. But if it goes up and hits the downtrend line, the red one here, we have room. Let me take the magnet out. Okay. We have room to see prices moving 2.7% or $250. Well, it's a lot of money wherever it goes. See, so look like today I have good hints for you guys about where the market can go, and that you guys can position yourself and try to profit from that. Okay, hopefully this helped you guys. I would appreciate if it was worth watching this video, please go down, give me a like. I will appreciate that. And you can follow, if you can follow me, even better. I'm trying to increase the number of followers on my YouTube in order for me to start profiting from these analysis on that platform, and also to keep my job running, and also to unlock some features. So if you guys can support me on that, I will appreciate that. Well, then, with this analysis on hand and with the market, with a lot of opportunities to trade, now it is showtime. Take care. Thank you.